Hi, thank you for watching. Today we are going to be showing the assembly of the TM Aries pen kit. The Aries is a single barrel tube pen kit. It uses the same bushes as a standard Sierra and the same tube size as a Sierra, so it's perfect for your label casting blanks and things like that. Today's pen is turned using the Lava Flow blank by GPS. It's got a really nice pearlescent black to it with a red line in it. The kits come in 5 different plating choices. We've got antique silver, antique copper, a rhodium with black titanium, and a black titanium with rhodium. This one is the black chrome version, which is plating number 5. So I'm going to go over to the assembly video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram at either Taylor's Murfield or at my new Instagram, Dan Smith RPT. Thank you. Okay, so quick run through of the kit components. We've got the nib section, the nib connector, barrel tube, clip, end cap, twist mechanism. These come with the P900 refill and obviously your refill spring. The assembly is really straightforward. The kit uses standard Sierra size bushes, so both ends of the barrel are the same diameter. So again, it just comes down to preference as to where you want your clip to line up. And on this one, I'll probably put it there where there's not much detailing. So put it on the back, leave the detailing on that edge there. Okay, so we'll press that end in first. Got my trusty El Cheapo clamp. I'll just press that end one home. And then I've got the nib connector there. Press that one home. I'll screw on the twist mechanism. And then we'll drop the refill in from the nib end and screw on the nib. Just give your mechanism a check, make sure it's all working properly, and then press on the end. And there you are, finished TM Aries and a GPS Lava Flow blank.